Welcome back to another video. It's me, your girl Briana Marie, and today's video is going to be featuring Nova Beauty. Keep watching this tutorial because baby, it's gonna be a beat. Hey dolls, welcome back to another video. It is me, your girl Briana Marie, and you're tuning in to another tutorial, y'all. I had to get the quality right. I did actually change my camera from my 90D to my 5D mark. I just love my 5D mark, y'all. The quality just gives, okay? We're up close. I'm probably gonna end up switching the lens to what I was using for the 90D. Let's get into this video. I wanna quickly just talk to y'all a little bit and then let's do some makeup. It's so late. It is 8:25, so let's get started with these brows, y'all. I just stopped doing YouTube, and the reason why I just stopped after I did the green video, I think the last video was my green video, is because I just feel like I'm not really prospering on here anymore. So I've tried finding new ways to prosper and try to build my Instagram back up, TikTok, things like that, and Facebook. But YouTube, it's just like nobody is on here anymore. Nobody is really watching these types of videos, or well, they are watching makeup videos, but just not mine, because I see a lot of people still like makeup, but they just have certain few that they watch on YouTube. So I don't know, I just tend to like shy away from YouTube. Like, I just feel like it's not serving any purpose anymore, and I just be like, you know what, I'm gonna just stick to the places where people are at, and looking at my content. But I really do enjoy doing YouTube videos, and it's okay. Sometimes we do need those breaks. Before we get into these brows, I'm going to show you exactly what colors I'm going to use. So I'm going to use black and brown. I absolutely love Nova Beauty's brow pencil. So if it's long, I hope that y'all like the longer videos. I hope, because I'm going right back to those, because I like when I explain. I want to take this dense brush and I'm just going to pat this powder in. As you can see, I'm not swiping like this because I don't want to disturb the brow, even though it's not going to be disturbed because that brow gel is strong. I just want to pat it in. I don't want this powder to really go away. I just want it to melt into the brows. One end is spoolie and the other end is a brush. What we're going to do here is we're going to first, I like to draw it on the back of my hands because whatever residue it has on it, I need it to not be there. So I'm going to take this, and I'm not going to smudge it this way because what it's going to do is going to smudge and it's not going to give you a straight line. So I like to hold the pencil at this point, that way. I'm going to go around. It's not a specific way that I'm doing this, just like the bottom part. I'll draw it like that, like how I said not to draw it this way because it's going to smudge. I don't care about that at the top because I'm going to fill it in anyway. And then now I'm filling it in. So I'm going to do the same thing off camera on the other side, and I'm going to come back when it's time to fill the front end with the brown. I'm going to take the color brown and we're going to do the front of the brow. The bottom portion, same for the top. Because then, therefore, you don't even have to conceal, okay? When you hold your brow pencil like that, you don't even have to conceal. At the top, I don't hold my pencil like that. And then also make sure you go back and kind of fade that in so it won't look like you just put black right here and then you put brown right there. Make sure it is faded. So now I'm about to do the other brow. I'm going to come back and I'm going to conceal these brows so they can be snatched. Now it's time to conceal the brows, and I'm going to mix my two concoctions up and we're going to conceal these. You're going to take a flat brush, something like this. I'm actually going to use the same concealer today because I don't really want my concealer too light. Just like that. Y'all see how crispy that is? I mean, not the same. I don't want to make my brows light towards the tip. I'm just going to make it the same color. I just want to use the same color all around. I'm going to start from the front. So I want to go ahead and do this bottom part off camera, and we'll come back so we can finish the rest of this brow. I'm going to take a brush like this. I use the same brushes, y'all, for my brows. Y'all can see it. So we'll take this brush. And if y'all don't know, I have keratoconus, so that's why I have to have my mirror up close. I'm pretty sure if I have my contacts in, which I will be wearing after I get my procedure done, I will see. And I'm rubbing my eyes. I'm not supposed to be doing it. I will be having hard contacts in my eyes, so they might look a little bigger. But after my procedure, it's an eye disease. I feel like I'm going to be able to see everything as clear as how I'm seeing up close. You know what I'm saying? So I won't have to have my mirror so close. I can just be back here and see. But I'm going to put a picture up here to reference of what I see, so that y'all can know exactly how my eyes are. So the brows are snatched. Do y'all see these brows? I'm turned all the wrong way. So let's start these eyes. So for eyes, I want to go ahead and take my base, take this lighter one, and I'm gonna put this all over my eyes, y'all. Making sure my eyes are not like greasy or anything. So what you want to do is you want to wait for this base to dry, okay? Just a little bit. Don't let it completely dry, just a little bit so you can blend it out. If you go ahead and put this on right now and start tapping it, what it's going to do is going to take the product, it's going to take it away. It's going to be on the brush that you tapped it out with. You're going to keep doing that, and it's not going to smoothly blend, I'm telling you. Onto this eye. The base is on, and I think we're gonna do a cut crease today. I'm not for sure. I think we're gonna go into both of these palettes. I'm doing a red lip, so I definitely want to do something really cute. This gray is great, and like, I don't know, I definitely want to try this on the lid. I do some colors on the lid, like some of these colors. But okay, let's get into it. Okay, so as far as eyes, a lot of the Nova Beauty palettes have shimmers in it. The transition colors I wouldn't use for the transition, so mostly like lid colors. Okay, so this is what I came up with, y'all. I'm gonna go into another brown. I said I'm gonna use one, but I just lied. Like, no, I ain't. So I'm gonna use another brown, and then I'm gonna use black. Because I want to go back in with the first color and blend everything in until I get to the consistency or the pigment that I want. I literally just bought a memory card on Amazon for 256 gigabyte, and the memory is like literally gone. When you shoot in 4K, you need like 4 of those memory cards, okay? And this is like the best quality. So I'm about to take my Nova Beauty Smokey palette, y'all, And I am going to take this black in here and we're going to smoke out the outer V part of my eyes. I'm using the same brush as I used for the brown, and I'm just basically going to smoke this in here. Alright, y'all, so I'm going to use my Garnier Sun Active Micellar Water, and I'm going to cut this crease. I don't have no wipes, y'all. I need to go get some, matter of fact. Both of my cuts are done. I think they're even. If not, I feel like this one is higher than the other, but that's okay. Like I'm not gonna mess with it. It is okay. And I'm about to blend this in. I did want to add the shimmer shades first before this starts drying, so I'm gonna do that. But I'm gonna actually powder this part. Y'all know I like to powder it because I don't want it to crease. So let's actually do that. So I'm gonna go into my what is this? A bronze palette from Nova Beauty, and I'm gonna take this brown in here. It's like a sandy brown, like an olive brown, but with a hint of with a hint of olive in it. It's called Frontin, and I'm gonna take this because we got black to close it up too, but I just want these two colors. Okay, so now I'm about to go in with the bronze palette, and I'm going to take these three shades right here. So these three right here, and put this on my lid. Okay, y'all, so the eyes are done. Now I'm about to take liner. Yeah, it's gonna be big. Literally obsessed, y'all. Look at these lashes. They not too long. They just right. Now it's on to my face. I feel like I'm gonna come in and out of certain parts only because my memory is like gone. Okay, so for moisturizer, I'm just going to add me some 15 moisturizer, and then I am going to put some pore primer on. So I'm gonna take my ColourPop stick, and I'm going to do the method that I usually do, where I just contour, put the foundation in areas, and concealer. Undetectable foundation and a spice rum. Alright, y'all, so this concealer blended out like a dream. Do y'all see it? I'm about to blend the contour out, and I'm going to finish the rest of my face. I'll just wipe most of that powder off. So the gel liner that I'm using is called ASAP from Nova Beauty, y'all. My memory card just keeps messing up. At the end, it just got really slow, so I had to definitely just say exactly what I'm using on a voiceover. It is giving y'all. Let's take Nova Beauty Smokey palette. I'm gonna add black. I'm gonna add nude in my tail area. Top it off with some mascara. This is literally gorgeous. Look at this. So for the lip, I want to do this red glossy lip. So I want to take the same liner that I used to line my waterline, which is ASAP by Nova Beauty, to line my lips. The same. I just put a highlighter down the bridge of my nose. Now I'm about to add gloss. This is in the shade Sauce, and I want to put this right in the middle. Alright, now, so this is the final look. I am going to change my outfit, and I'm going to come. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this tutorial. I hope that y'all enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that bell notification. And until then, I'll see you guys on my next.